Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your first deposit using Bitcoin in the broker pocket option. These questions is coming a lot for me on these days. How to make my first deposit? Someone of us have issue in the moment we try to use a debit or credit card to deposit with this broker. So for that reason, I'm gonna share with you how to make your first deposit using Bitcoin for those who have the same issue like me. Let's rock with this video. Okay guys, I'm gonna share with you how to make your first deposit using Bitcoin and the broker pocket option. This question is coming a lot for this channel, so on this video I'm gonna teach you this process. It's gonna be a short video and I hope so can help you to make your first deposit with this broker. So I'm gonna select Bitcoin wallet because I'm gonna deposit using Bitcoin. The minimum deposit for this broker and with Bitcoin is gonna be only for $50. So let's go to deposit $50. No, let's go to deposit $100. But let's go to read what I said here. Terms and conditions. Minimum deposit for the promo code $50. Max bonus is available with this promo code $5,000, 50%. You can make profit and invest in funds at any time. So let's go to continue. Okay, this is so important here. Please note, in accordance with the current financial provider settings, minimum withdrawal amount using Bitcoin is $150. Click on the continue button to process with your deposit. So continue. Okay, warning, in order to get the Bitcoin payment process automatically, you need to send exact amount. Okay, says we need to send the exact amount. How we are gonna know how much Bitcoins are we need to send? So we copy here, okay, copy amount, and we paste this on inside our wallet. You can use a BitPay, you can use a Coinbase. With these wallets, you can buy Bitcoin. Let me show you here. I think I have this one. Let me show you wallet. I have two, right? I have Coinbase, and I have another one here, and it's BitPay. These two wallets is the wallets that I use to make my deposits. So I copy this to complete the payment. Please transfer this amount. Copy amount. With this, I go into my wallet and paste this and say this amount. How I can do that? Well, if you have your wallet in your cell phone like me, I just gonna scan the code, and the code is gonna give me the same text. You can see it here. Watch it. Let me show you. Is there? You see it? Okay, we have the code. This code I gonna copy and I gonna paste inside on my wallet with BitPay. In this case, is the wallet that I use to my transfers. And inside of my wallet, you can see it appears. Appears there. Send money using Bitcoin. So let's go to send and paste. Scan the code. Well, I can scan the code inside here of my wallet and says how much you're gonna send. Okay, I say $100 with Bitcoin, and show me. Only had to do is drop the here to accept, and I gonna send this amount to my wallet and says was show send. See it? Send the money. So all they had to do now is wait to see this money to my wallet. I guess I'm gonna wait only a few minutes. Right now you can see my balance reflected here, $150, the minimum deposit that I right now made with this broker. So this short video is just to explain and show you how to make your first deposit using your BitPay wallet or your Coinbase wallet. And I made this because I understand we have issues in the moment we're trying to make our first deposit using debit or credit card with Pocket Options. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next video.